Hello YouTube, Basin Truck here, and today we're going to try to make the amplifier mounting bracket to put the amplifiers I bought in the van. I bought these shortly after buying the van, and still no one's done a video of these amplifiers, which I'm a bit surprised. They're the Soundstream Rubicon Nanos. So, they're small, that's why I bought them. They should put out the power I need. Well, not what I want. I want more power. But anyway, we're going to sit here and try to get this bracket made so I can mount these in the wall. Okay, I've got all my measurements. I'm going to go and transfer them to the metal to cut out the bracket. We gotta throw it in the van and get the angles correct. Okay, there we go. That's where she's gonna sit. And I gotta take it out and weld it up. So we've got all the holes drilled. Now we're gonna put the nutserts in. Some of you may be familiar with these. This is what they look like before. They just go in the hole, and you use this tool to compress them. Okay, one's in. Now we're gonna test fit our amplifiers so we can figure out how I'm gonna mount them. All the holes drilled out for the nutserts for the amps. I ground off all the diamond plate that was going to interfere with these sitting flat. So we're going to put the nutserts in. I've got it all built, everything's finished, the nutserts are in, it's ready to go. I'm going to shoot a quick coat of rattle can black on it. There we go. Next time you see it, it'll be painted and we'll mount it up. We're back. Told you guys to get this painted up. It's been a few days, it's dried. It's just rattle can. No one's really gonna see this. We've got the amplifiers over there. And now we're gonna mount them up. Got them mounted down. I'm gonna clean them up real quick. Quick spray. Wipe them down. And we'll go mount this in the van. Let's see if I can get this mounted up in here. It's gonna be a little heavy. I'm gonna have to balance it up there. Get these screws in. It's mounted! Sweet! Getting to the terminals at the bottom will be a little more difficult, but it's doable. I can make it work. There we go. Amplifier rack has been built and installed. One thing off the list.
Thanks for watching. Throw a comment down below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.